Law isn't about paperwork. It's about people. I'm Gordy Michalacki, and I'm the founder of Elmm Law Group. I was born and raised in Arizona, and I have seen firsthand how this community gets tested, how one moment can change everything. Because when someone is hurt, it's not just the pain. It's the fear, it's the uncertainty. It's nights where you don't even know how you're gonna pay the bills or who's actually fighting for you. And that's why I built Elmm Law Group. Not to be louder than the noise, but to be different from it. My first job out of law school was clerking for the Arizona Court of Appeals, learning what moves judges and what wins an argument. From there, I became an assistant attorney general for the state of Arizona. I represented the Arizona Department of Economic Security under 3 different attorneys general. I handled the cases that affected real families, people who were struggling to get the help that they needed. Those years taught me strength, strategy, and the value of compassion inside the legal system that sometimes doesn't feel compassionate. And I knew when I started Elmm Law Group that we would lead with something different: empathy, honesty, and clarity. I saw how deeply people could be affected when compassion was missing from the legal process. That experience changed me. I realized that injury victims were not just facing physical pain. They were also battling fear, uncertainty, and disruption to every part of their lives. From injuries, lost wages, and damaged vehicles, to difficulty handling everyday tasks. Then when they needed help the most, they were met with the wall of noise, endless flashy ads, bold claims, and empty promises. Choosing the right attorney became another source of stress in an already overwhelming time. I knew I had to be there in a better way, rooted in empathy, honesty, and real advocacy. I knew the kind of law firm I wanted to build had to be different. Not louder, not flashier, not in your face, but truly rooted in the care for others. I founded Elmm Law Group to be the antidote to the chaos, to the noise that injury victims face. I wanted it to be a place where people feel seen, heard, and supported. A place where you are a human first, not a case or file or a claim number. At Elmm Law Group, we take the calls, we handle the bills, we manage the paperwork, and we face the insurance companies head on so our clients can focus on what matters most: healing. We built this firm on one promise: you are never just a case file. From the moment you call, you'll feel it. We listen, we explain, and we keep you informed every step of the way. We don't disappear after the first meeting. We walk beside you until the very end. Because every case has a story, and every victory means someone getting their peace back. Advocacy doesn't just stop at the courtroom door. This summer, we launched Backpack to the Future, a school supply drive for Arizona students. Because justice starts with access to education, to opportunity, to someone who cares enough to show up. And that's what Elmm Law Group stands for: care that shows up. I'm a mom of 2, so I understand exactly how much a single injury can shake a family. The late nights, the hospital visits, the missed paychecks. It's not just the physical pain, it's emotional and financial chaos. That's why my work is personal. I don't see numbers or policies when I take on a case. I see people. When you hire us, you get more than representation. You get protection. You get a team that fights like family. We're not the firm that hides behind legal talk. We're the firm that calls you back, that explains every step, that doesn't stop until the insurance company pays what they owe. I'm Gordy Michalacki. I'm the founder, attorney, mom, and advocate. And this is Elmm Law Group, where compassion meets conviction, where your story is seen, and where justice finally feels human again.